Are you looking to buy a new electric roller garage door in the Birmingham area? We are a leading UK manufacturer offering industry-leading guarantees and superior security, installation and safety features, starting at just £995 including installation and VAT. With over 30 years experience manufacturing and installing high-quality electric roller garage doors, we understand what it takes to supply you a safe, secure and easy-to-operate garage door that will stand the test of time. Our premium coating system on all our electric garage doors gives you the option of thousands of colors and the widest choice of finishes for faster installation. Choose from thousands of colors and finish combinations in our premium coating systems, offering you the widest possible choice of finish. Every component is of the highest quality, which is reflected in our industry-leading guarantees on the motors, safety systems and door finishes. We can match the color of your front door or windows to the color on your electric garage door. We can even supply you a new front door to match. We supply a range of doors to fit every opening size, single, double or completely oddball. Save hundreds of pounds when you buy direct from us, the manufacturer, and be sure to get the best value for money, the best security, the best insulation and the best safety features available today, all backed by the best guarantees. Visit electricgaragedoorsk.co.uk today to see our latest range of designs and special offers, and to book your free home survey for a no-obligation quote and have our engineer answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching and have a great day.